What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best products on the market for this year. We're going to show you our 5 best picks, and we'll talk about whether or not you should buy them. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1. Razer Blade 16. The Razer Blade 16 emerges as a powerhouse, featuring a 13th Gen Intel Core i9 13950HX CPU, an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 GPU, 32 GB of RAM, and a capacious 1 TB SSD storage. Its standout feature is the 16-inch UCOOX IPS display with a stunning resolution of 3840 by 2400, covering 93% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, and boasting an average brightness of 466.6 nits. The laptop offers an excellent editing experience with its spacious deck and delightful keyboard. However, the drawback lies in its battery life, providing only 5 hours and 29 minutes, necessitating frequent tethering to a wall socket for a full day's use. Additionally, performance takes a hit when operating on battery alone. Despite the battery limitations, the Razer Blade 16's gorgeous design, potent specifications, and impressive editing capabilities make it stand out. In the early stages of the year, it earns the title of the best PC video editing laptop based on hands-on experience. Number 2. MacBook Pro 16-inch. The MacBook Pro M2 Max 16-inch stands out as the ultimate mobile video editing laptop, backed by the formidable power of Apple's M2 Max chipset, offering options ranging from 16 to 96 GB of RAM and up to 8 TB of storage. It is a video editing powerhouse, and its remarkable battery life of 18 hours and 56 minutes sets it apart from the competition. Powered by Apple's proprietary M2 Max chip, the laptop outshines competitors and establishes a clear gap from its predecessors. The 16-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with a resolution of 3024 by 1964 pixels and 254 ppi, combined with a responsive keyboard, enhances the overall user experience. The laptop's capabilities are so exceptional that a special in the field report is planned to explore its performance under extreme conditions. The MacBook Pro M2 Max offers not only a powerful chipset but also impressive audio quality, making it a comprehensive solution for creators on the go. The standout feature, however, is its nearly 19-hour battery life, catering to the needs of users who require extended periods of productivity on the move. Number 3. Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch. The MacBook Pro M2 14-inch model introduces another contender to Apple's impressive lineup, offering the option of the M2 Max chipset. Starting with a base configuration of 16 GB of RAM, users opting for the M2 Max can elevate it to an impressive 96 GB of RAM, with storage options ranging from 512 GB to a capacious 8 TB. Weighing a mere 3.5 pounds and featuring a sleek and portable design, the MacBook Pro M2 14-inch model seamlessly fits into camera backpacks, catering to on-the-go content creators. Notably, it boasts an average battery life exceeding 14 hours, providing optimal performance both plugged in and unplugged, a boon for frequent travelers and run-and-gun creators. The M2 Pro chipset, with its 10-core CPU and 16-core GPU, promises improved performance. The base model, priced at $1,999, includes 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD. Opting for the M2 Max chipset, which comes with a 12-core CPU and 19-core GPU, along with a RAM boost to 32 GB and the same 512 GB SSD, raises the price to $2,899. Users selecting the Max chipset have the option to further upgrade their RAM to an impressive 96 GB. Number 4. MSI Creator Z16P. The MSI Creator Z16P emerges as a formidable force in the realm of content creation, presenting an exceptionally powerful solution for PC-based video editing. Armed with a 12th Gen Intel Core i9 12900H CPU and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 GPU boasting 16 GB of RAM, this laptop is engineered for demanding tasks. The 16:10 Golden Ratio display, featuring QHD+ 2560 by 1600 resolution and a 165 Hz refresh rate touchscreen, elevates the visual experience, further enhanced by the inclusion of a stylus, a feature absent from MacBooks. A standout feature of the Creator Z16P is its expansive, immersive, and vivid touch display, challenging users to unleash their creativity. This touch capability sets it apart from MacBook counterparts. Functioning as a portable content creation workstation, the laptop adeptly handles the power-hungry demands of Adobe Creative Suite, excels in editing and color grading within DaVinci Resolve, and even accommodates gaming preferences. The sleek and elegant design of the MSI Creator Z16P adds to its appeal. Number 5. HP's Book Studio G8. The HP's Book Studio G8 stands out as a powerhouse in the content creation landscape, seamlessly blending award-winning G7 series styling with enhanced power tailored for the creative endeavors of content creators. Priced at $4,727, this laptop is a stunning, powerful, and mil-spec tough device that ranks among the best content creator laptops available. Key features include an 11th Gen Intel Core i9 processor, 32 GB of RAM, 2 TB of SSD storage, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 GPU. These specifications ensure that the laptop is well equipped to handle the resource-intensive demands of applications within the Adobe Creative Suite and other content creation tasks. The inclusion of a vibrant OLED 4K touchscreen adds to its appeal, providing a bright, vivid, and stunning display. While the price tag may be steep, the HP's Book Studio G8 earns its place as one of the best video editing laptops, offering a compelling combination of aesthetics, durability, and powerful performance for content creators both in the studio and on the go. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys.